Hello, okay, today we are going to see how to install ceramic floor on a cement based base floor. So I'm going to show you this is a type of ceramics which I'm going to use, which is not exactly ceramic, it's a material which is a lot thicker than the ceramic, and the layering is very strong. So this one has a thickness of 1.1 centimeters because it's designed to do flooring. And this material is called porcelanato. It's a type of porcelain modified in order to be even stronger. And what you have to look for when you are buying for the tiles for the floor is that they are actually specified for floor. These, even if they have very similar design, they have no the same strength. So for floor, you have to shop for exactly this type of application. And then what I have already done here is let me check here. You see there's a number, so every piece has a number. That means that I know I divided the grid and I know which one goes where. I already laid down all the tiles. I check all the separations. You have to check the separations not only with the tiles but also with the lines. For my case, they will be 2 millimeters. So you do your calculations and then you stand and you start numerating 1, 2, 3, 4, or however you want, 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter. What it matters is that you know which one goes where. Just choose a system and follow it. And then what I have already done, as you see, it is cement, but it has a layer of waterproofing. So there's a membrane which is used for roofed, but also can be applied in bathrooms. So you can apply a layer of waterproofing. You let it dry, really dry, at least 48 hours. Just check also the instruction of your material. Never assume anything, just check, because there's so much technology in all the materials. And now what I'm going to use is the material for pasting, which I'll show you in this other video. And you can also find it on my playlist. And I'm going to start tiling in a way in which allows me to not get inside the bathroom for the last tile. So I'm gonna tile here, 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 here. Gonna put 2 tiles covering the entry of the water and the discharge for the water clock, and then the last tile will be here. And this will be the work for today.